By the way, Tic Tac Toe is spelled TAC
That's fine. That's fine.
and then TIC.
Okay. Let me change it for a bit.
Okay, you're on, Yaphet. Start presenting.
Okay. This game it's called Tic Tac Toe. From Yaphet Chen. My goals for Tic Tac Toe is to make the program and the game work. For the design, I used Python to do the project. This is a small part of my code that I did. And then for program, a part of my program, it's the true and false. I think the part talks about loops, and it can help the program to run. I tested it 3 times. On the third, it worked. And if I am going to build it more better, I think I would change the setting because the setting it's a little bit too light, or I say like a little bit boring. Play. Okay. But wait. So I'm gonna press. And this is the X, and this is the O. Whoever it says player X wins, and down down here it's the score of the players, and if you click it will play again and you can just play with your friend. And if they both win, it will say it's a tie and it won't add points to anyone. Thank you.